What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video. Today's video will be short and simple. I will tell you what happened with the head and what I did with the block. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see that the head is in the machine shop. Came out that 6 valves were bent on the intake side, and if I have a clip, I will put it right now. Alright guys, you see that? Only 2 valves are good. Only 2 of them. That's the intake side. Most of them are done. This one, wait, this one is the real. This is the one that you will see the clip before this. That is really bad. And I guess 2 of them here are bad too. Look at that. Oh man. Yep, that's really bad. Oh. So as you can see, there was 6 valves that were bent. The guy asked himself how in the hell this car had so much power with these bent valves. I told him, well, it's Honda. Yep, it's Honda. But yeah, as you can see, the head was pretty bad. So I have 95 pounds dual springs from SuperTech, titanium retainers, titanium spring seats, SuperTech bronze valve guides, seals. What else? The valves, of course. I got Ferrea valves, flathead valves, so I can get that little more compression, more power. Skunk 2 drop-in cams for now. Both of them are right there, brand new as well. Sorry, Matatan Racing. Follow him on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram right here. He helped me giving me all this information, but I already had the cans when you told me which cans to get, but that could be done in the future. Also, I will have another video later on installing the GDI distributor what is it called, push start button. Yeah, I will have another video with that. It might be the first one in Germany, not sure. If you do have one, comment down below if you live in the Germany area. Now let's go with the block. As you will see now, the block is completely stripped. I didn't want to bore you guys with stripping this completely out. So yeah, cleaned it up a little bit. He's gonna clean it up in the machine shop. Pistons, there wasn't in a great. It wasn't bad. As you can see, but there's oil there, so yeah. Everything else was great except for the. See that? I might get the machine shop to check my crank, which is here. I'm gonna ask him to check it. If it needs resurface, then not resurface, repolish. Maybe could repolish it again. I went with nipple raising high compression pistons for now, because if I boost this car, it'll be maybe supercharged, and that's it. It's for my wife. This car's for my wife, so 300, 350, maybe more, 400 horses supercharged will be enough for her. Now, when I get to build my car, it'll be different. This one will get oversized pistons, which I will go maybe 86.5. Yeah, 86.5. So he's gonna bore, the machine's just gonna bore it, hone it, and clean the whole block. Possibly check the crank and get a little bit more power like that, and use the stock what's it called, rods. That's what I will be doing. Use the stock rods. Bearings are on the way, pistons are on the way. Head, I should be getting it sometime this week, hopefully. So hopefully before Thanksgiving, this engine is back in there. And talking about the engine bay, I will clean it up, maybe paint wherever it needs paint, like right there, down there needs more cleaning up again, and there too. I would love to delete this, but I can. Germany, it's against the law to delete that, and if they catch me, I won't be able to drive the car. But yeah, that's the little update, guys. As soon as I get cylinder head this week, I will post it on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I'll put everything first before I put it on YouTube. So if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I got TikTok as well. Stuff will be posting there first before it gets posted on YouTube. This camera's acting up. Yeah, I got a new camera, so I gotta play with it. So yeah, guys, that will be it. If you're new, thanks for subscribing. If you're not, please subscribe. Hit that like button and that bell notification so you can get notified of every video I upload. So guys, stay safe and peace.